Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming at you guys again with yet and I thought today we can do more of an old school type unboxing. And as y'all can see, we got a couple pairs, and by a couple, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 new pairs hit the door. And before we even get into it, I gotta say shouts out to the Finesse gang. Those who get here early, subscribe, drop a like, finesse the bell, and leave a comment, and you might see your name up on the screen right here with me. Now, like I said, we got a lot of stuff to unbox, but there is one pair in particular that we don't have to unbox, but unfortunately, it isn't my pair, and I still need some. And that is why these right here are going to be raffled, sadly. And honestly, I don't want to look at them too long because it's gonna make me want them more. You guys see the human race box. You guys can probably guess what dropped recently that was a human race that I might have wanted really bad. What could that have been? Oh, the green NERDs. So yes, they will be raffled off on the bodega so I can get my own personal pair. These joints right here, I didn't think they were as hard as the homecoming pair. Of course, I'm gonna be biased because they did drop here in VA, right in Norfolk, but in person, the green and yellow, even on the Yacht Gang foot, very, very clean. So there we go. We starting off the video with the quick banger, NERD NYC Billionaire Boys Club exclusive joints. These and the homecomings will be in my collection before the end of the year. Let's say that. By the end of the year, I need these and the homecomings in my collection in the studio, a personal pair for myself. But yes, that's the first one, NERD, New York exclusive, Bulls Bodega. You already know how the raffles go down. We've done the homecoming NERDs, we've done the JTHs, we've done the black off-white Prestos, now NERDs. That's the next one. So I'm gonna go ahead and move these off the screen because I don't wanna look at them anymore. I'm gonna just leave them down there and resist. So with that out of the way, Finesse gang, I appreciate y'all. This is the rest. We got a lot of stuff to go through. And yeah, you already know what time it is. Hold on, I got it right here. You already know what time it is. Let's get it. So we really not even gonna get into this in any particular order. I'm gonna just grab this box first and let's just see what's inside, because as you guys can tell, I had a lot of different things land at the doorstep. And yes, this is the first of many pairs. I told y'all I would talk to y'all about this. The Yeezers, the Yeezers, the Yeezys, the 700s. That's the first box. And yes, it is in a very, very, very small box. And this one I got from YeezySupply.com. I told y'all that they actually loaded up 700s at like 3:30 or 4 a.m. and they were up there for a while. When in Rome, get what you can get. And here we go. This is only the first pair. Small feet gang. I definitely think that 700s look the best. Definitely look the best on small feet gang. Yes, I do still like them in Yacht Gang. Yes, I did double up on a pair for myself, but small feet gang for 700s, y'all are definitely winning. So that was the first one. Nice, quick, simple, and easy. The Yeezy 700s. And I gotta figure out a way to show the shoes off in the background as we're going through. I'll figure it out. Next box we got right here is a really big box. This one comes straight from Kith, and there was another release last week that I really wanted. You guys see me kind of hunting for it, and there was a reason I was only hunting for one particular colorway, and that's because I was waiting on a couple blessings to hit my doorstep, and this is of course the first one. And like I said, I got these from Kith. There was like multiple releases of this sneaker online, and luckily I was on it. I was making sure I was on it. Y'all see it, black Nike box on the inside. I mean, y'all should already know what's going on. Now this was an extra. Air Presto Mid / acronym for $200. And what colorway is it? What colorway is the extra that I got right here? Yes, the black and gray acronym Presto. Now in my personal opinion, I thought this was the weakest color out of the collab. Is it a bad shoe? No, not at all. And the reason I wanted a black pair, in addition to the other ones, or I kind of just wanted the full collection, was just that a lot of times when I'm wearing my Vault pair with the red, and it's just, these materials aren't exactly rough and tough. So in the fall time, a nice black and gray pair is perfect for me. Listen, you guys know how much I really like this sneaker, and I think I just want to share these with someone. So what I'm gonna do is I will throw these up on Bulls Bodega for retail. Anyone that wears a size 11, you pay what I paid or pay what I paid plus shipping. So if you want these, size 11, retail gang, Frugal Boys, bullsbodega.com. I got you. Quick and easy, all black and gray. Like I said, I do like this pair, but it's not my favorite out of the collection. Let's reach to the far end and grab one of these bigger boxes over here and see what we got inside of here. And I'm still waiting to get my joints. Another one. Yes, another one. Go ahead and cut this off the side right here. Blam, blam, blam. Not as nice as the first unboxing, and god damn, why is it such a big box? But y'all see the brown box, guys, out. Yes, 700 times 2. And this one is a size 11.5, a little bit too snug for my toe, but don't worry. We got a couple more pairs. Like I said, 700. I like the shoe. Some of you like the shoe, some of you hate the shoe. 11.5, cool, I like them, nice, but my 12 is somewhere mixed in here, and I need to see those. Let's grab the big guy right here up next. Now this one was another one from Kith.com. Listen, man, I was on it. I know I tell y'all don't sleep, do your research, follow your IG pages. That's what I was doing, and that's why I was able to get these right here. Let me try not to cut my own jugular off, and let's get into these. I don't know why they put in this big box, man, but once again, Nike all black box. Go ahead and pour those guys out. There's a crazy box pile over here on my side, but don't worry, I will clean it up after we get done. Yes, another black Nike box. This one, once again, I was swinging and I was missing on some sites. I was swinging and missing, but this one is a size 13 in a different colorway, all black, so you should already know what's going on. This was the colorway that I really wanted the most out of the collection. The blue and vault ones was really cool, but I already had the OG vault, so if I couldn't get those, this was the pair that I really wanted. And these were the dynamic yellow pair. When I was looking, I just was like, yo, I don't have anything. Like, I want these ones. And it's a really interesting, like, I don't even know, like, toxic radiation yellow on the top of these. Then you got that acronym print all over, yellow, black and white, the mesh, the fuse. This was the main pair that I wanted, and like I said, man, I was swinging and missing. I was just trying to get whatever I could, just in case I couldn't get my size, I could get some extras and then get my size. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do, but the dynamic yellow acronym Presto, fire. And I didn't mention this about the black pair, but another little detail that they did was there's like a little bit of an extra fuse circle right here. I don't know what that's for, because if it's for when this rubs against the cage, like the mesh on the inside, I guess it's just another little detail for the shoe. But dynamic yellow, Nike Air Presto, fire. Y'all already know how I feel about these. Let's get to the next box. So let's go ahead and get another one from the far end. I mean, y'all probably already guessed it, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get into this one very quickly. Once again, was trying to cook up, took too long to get here, took too long to unbox, didn't exactly cook, kind of simmer on these joints right here. And the size 700, not size 700, but a size 11 and a half. Dos 11 and a half. Yeezy 700s. Once again, it is raining Yeezers right now. YeezySupply.com, blessed. Very blessed. We got some more heat, some more fire from Adidas, and honestly, I didn't even think that I got through on this package, or at least this purchase, until I actually went in and checked my bank account. You already know how quick some of these bank companies can be. They will freeze your card and stop it and say, whoa, you try to do what? On Adidas, on Yeezy, on Nike, this is fraudulent. Your card is now frozen. Sorry, better luck next time. And that's actually what happened with these, but luckily one of my payments actually went through. And to me, this was one of the cleanest colorways in this new shoe. Black Boost box, black and yellow, as you guys can see. And this is the Solar Hue Glide in men's. And what colorway did I get? Of course, there were 3 colorways. The super multicolor ones, the black ones, and then the one that I thought was the best was the all over white pair. Now, I did get these in size 12. From what I saw, they did run true to size. And this colorway is just clean. And let it be known that this is my first retail cop of any human race Pharrell sneaker. Yes, years later, months later, the VA native finally has his own pair for retail of some type of human race sneaker. Now, am I complaining? No. I knew that at some point one day I will be able to get these, and these are just clean, bro. All over white, maroon, green. I really like these puffed up panels that they have right here, and yeah, I just thought they were clean. Maybe not the most wearable sneaker for like fall and winter, but still super clean, bruh. Pharrell, Adidas, Solar Glides. We have been talking about these for a couple months now, and it's just finally nice to be part of the human race club. So Solar Hue Glides in all over white, the best colorway in my opinion, a new addition to somewhere in the studio. And you should have guessed it by now. I guess I'll reach for a big box one more time. You should have guessed. You should already know it. Quick edits. Yes, another one. Is this one mine? Yes. My personal size 12, my double up on the Yeezy 700s. Like I said, I wanted another pair and for retail. Shouts out to the homie Fomer Simpson. This is the perfect example of patience saving pockets, as well as no L's on the channel. Only delayed W's. A lot of delayed W's this time. And that leaves us with 3 boxes. Now, I'm gonna keep this one short because once again, you probably already guessed it. Yeah, another one. This one right here is a size 8.5. Don't need to take them out the box. Y'all already know what it is, bro. Yeezy 700, size 8.5. That was another extra. And yes, after all of that, we still have 2 more boxes. And there's actually one I'm still waiting on from Concepts. Hopefully that hits the door very soon. So let's see, which one is this? What is this? Let's get into this guy, because I think I know what this is. I think, but then I could be wrong. I don't know, but let's see. Yes, it is. I think at the point when you don't remember how many you ordered is the time to stop, which is why I stopped. I could have got more, but I left them there. So yes, size 12. This was a double. So that equals what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of the 700s. Thanks Yeezy. Thank you Yeezy Supply. You know, a lot of people are asking me how do I feel about Yeezys being not exactly GRs, but wider releases. And hey, I ain't angry. That means I can just double up with ease. And if there's a shoe I miss, I can just catch it on the restock. So if you want my opinion, do I like Yeezy restocks? Do I mind if more people have Yeezys? No. Kanye told you already he wants everyone to have a pair. And if you don't have a pair of Yeezys by now, you're just being lazy, or if you don't got the cash, that's cool. But there are still sizes of the white 350 V2s sitting on Yeezy Supply right now. I told y'all last time. I'm telling you again. I think it's size 7 through 11.5. So if you really itching for Yeezys, they're still there for retail. And now if I add these down here, there's like no symmetry. So I'm gonna put them right here because the setup was too clean. I don't really want to mess up the setup. And last up, but definitely not least up, this one with the stripes on the top. You already know. You should already know what the stripes mean on the box. This one was straight from Nike, and I haven't been like lucky on Nike sneakers in a while. A very long time. So Nike sneakers, I appreciate y'all for getting me through on these. It's all good. Don't worry, I will take these, and hopefully my yellow pair will arrive soon in the mail so I can have 2, and then I can complete the full acronym collection. So Air Presto Mid acronym. These are in a size 12, cool gray and black, and yes, my size acronyms on Nike sneakers for retail. Finally hitting something on Nike sneakers, and trust me, these will be worn. Nike, once again, appreciate you for letting me get through the digital line and checking these out for retail. So with that being said, man, that is it. That is a wrap. Much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, blah, blah. Of course, there's shoes all over the place. There's actually one right here. So hold on. Let me get it right. Bullet.RC, and I'm gonna see y'all on that next one. That's it, man. That's a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. And still waiting on my size 12 dynamic yellow. If anyone has the blue pair in a size 12 of the acronym Prestos, hit my email. And like I said, the extra black pair that I have, I will be throwing it up there for retail. I will throw the 13 up there for retail, and yes, I might, you know, regret that in about a year, but let me just wait and make sure my 12 is on the way. Once it's on the way, I'll put these up on Bulls Bodega for retail once again. But that is it, man. Much love. I will see y'all on the next one. Peace.
Did you get the memo? And you know, I'm ballin', did you miss the memo? I'm on safari. I'm getting head, life's wild. These niggas say that they would die to live a lifestyle. I'm sipping in and Philip Lim with the strap out.